So the investment landscape in Europe has changed quite a bit over the last 5 years. What we can mainly see is there's an increase in maturity on both the investor side and the startup side. Startups have learned much more to develop products specifically for additive manufacturing and learn how to use additive manufacturing technologies not only in the prototyping but also on the manufacturing side. Investors are now more familiar with the specific requirements of additive manufacturing startups in general and hardware startups specifically. 5, 6, 7 years ago, the investors in additive manufacturing technologies primarily came from the software environment with their expectations in terms of scaling and speed to market that were disappointed at some point. We now see dedicated investors like AM Ventures, for example, who only invest in 3D printing and can bring a very, very big amount of value or value add to the startups next to the pure financial investment. First of all, in an additive investment case, we look for the team. We look for a good entrepreneur that knows how to listen to the customer. Because in the end, we only invest in people. We do not invest in companies. In the end, it's always the entrepreneur who listens to the customer and turns the company around in order to deliver what the market demands. So that's the most important thing. The next topic is certainly also the strategic environment around a team, around a startup. Do we have the right advisors? Do we have access to the right customers? Do we pick the right technology for the use case that we have? And if this combination is there, then it's quite a high likelihood for success.